Makeup and Makeup. It is Jennifer Wilsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial this morning. I've been on the beach for a couple of days, so I'm back and I've got some color. No, it's hard to tell, but I do have a little bit of color. So we're gonna put some makeup on and talk about taking the big leap. What does that mean? We'll talk about it. Okay, so I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm loving that vitamin C serum, the vitamin C brightening eye cream for those eyes, and that Belif Aqua Bomb, adding some moisture back in and kind of blurring those pores and fine lines. Ugh, getting rid of that stuff. We're going to use the VDL Cushion Primer this morning. Boom, boom. Just going to pick it up and pat it on to give us a little bit of a glow. Got an exciting day today, so we need a little glow. That beach actually helped too. So we will just prime this face. The cool thing, I love that this pad is so easy to just pat it on. And a quick tip for hygiene, make sure that you rinse out at least once a week. I get some warm soapy water and I rinse that pad out and just make sure it's clean of germs and stuff like that, so that you're not, you know, carrying that stuff over in your skin. Nobody wants none of that yuckiness. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, so we are primed. You can already see it's got a little glow to it. Let's do that Cashmere Complexion in Matcha and cover those eyes of lack of sleep. So vacationing with kids is not really vacation, right? It's just work. My kids do not like to sleep on vacation. They will go to sleep. They like to get up before the sun. So that is the joys of vacationing with my children. Anyway, we had fun. So what is taking the big leap? So I've been reading a book, which is called The Big Leap, and it talks about how we have so many things programmed into our mind as to, you know, what we can do and what we can't do, like limitations. And I was like, man, I need to talk about this with my girls because I think we all suffer from a little bit of limitations in our life. Hi, Elle. Good morning. We're going to use Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand here. There we go. And use that Beauty Blender and pick it up and just put it on. So as I was reading, it was talking about identifying things in your life that have held you back. And I thought it was pretty interesting that, you know, we are all told things as children and even as adults that limit our thought process. So maybe, good morning, Pam. Hi. So like with Elle, she had some back issues and she didn't know if she would ever walk again. But my girl was like, I am not staying down. She got back up and doing great. And so I think that that is the thing that a lot of us, especially women, allow things to limit our belief. So were you ever told you're not smart enough, or you're not cute enough, or you're not skinny enough that you can't do things? For example, I got a private message the other day that I was too large. That wasn't the word used. I was too large of a woman to be going live on social media and doing my makeup. That I needed to lose some weight. And I was like, bye, Felicia. No thanks. I don't need your negativity in my world. Do I not realize that I have a struggle? Yes. I don't need you to point that out to me. People in our lives think that they're doing good sometimes, and they want to point things out for us. And what they do for me is give me fuel to be like, see you later, not listening to it. We're going to use Tattoo Station on these brows. So I think too, we have to be protective of who we allow to speak into our lives. I mean, I'm going live on Facebook. There's no telling who could pick this video up. I know that there's haters out in the world. So I'm just going to keep doing me and keep on going. If you don't like it, guess what? Don't have to watch it. If you love me, then come on in and let's chat. You know, I think that when you worry about what other people think about your life, oh, you shouldn't be buying a new car every year, or you shouldn't be building that house or building a pool, or, you know, you shouldn't be traveling. You know, that's their limited belief. Here's my belief. So let's talk about this one, because I got a message on Facebook about us traveling with the boys, that it was very, what did the word she used? It was very inappropriate and selfish of us traveling with the boys because of their medical condition with everything going on in the world. So my response was, you weren't on the vacation. You don't know the safety precautions, Magix dust, that we took to keep our boys safe. We got a beach house with some friends that we are with often, and we went to the beach early in the morning before the crowds got there. We kept our distance. We cooked all of our food at our beach house. We did eat out twice. For all the other meals, we cooked at the house. We had a private pool that the kids swam in the afternoons, and we weren't around anybody else. So, you know, you don't know what is going on in somebody else's life. So before you judge what other people are doing, get the whole story. If you don't like that I'm overweight, don't watch me. It's okay. Keep moving on. It's okay. We're going to use MonoPop in shade Coral this morning and put some coral on. If you don't like corals, you don't have to use corals. So we're going to pick up these two colors and go over the base of our eye. But I think for us, I think the thing is getting to that point that we make that big leap, that we quit caring what other people say. Quit letting other people's limitations hold you back. If there is something that you want to do, go for it. Do it. Get over your thought process of what other people are going to think, because here is the truth. Other people are going to have opinions of your life, all of your life, but they don't have to live it. So until they're walking in your shoes, they don't get to have an opinion. That's good morning. Hi, Cindy. That's how I make the big leap. Thank you, Elwanda. I love you. Okay, so we're going to do these two colors for our crease. Let's pick those up. We'll pick a little bit of pink up, and we're going to work that crease, baby. Work it. Oh, you know, and I was thinking about, you know, as a child, we didn't get to travel a lot. I was raised by a single mom who worked her tail off to raise us girls. And so whenever I first got married, I told Chad, I was like, well, I don't really travel. It's not really my thing. And he was like, well, we're going to travel. And guess what? He changed my mindset on that. So your mindset has a lot to do with the things that you accomplish and the things that you hold you back. Guess what? If there's something that you want to do, quit telling yourself that you're too busy, because we all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's a matter of how you spend those 24 hours. That's what it comes down to. Let me get a little bit closer and show you that crease. I just went up and down, and I'm going to pull some of this coral now, and I'm going to blend down here. Blend up into that crease. Yay! So maybe my colors are too dark for you. It's okay. Do it lighter. You do you. Do that big leap and quit setting back, waiting for something amazing to just pop into your life. It's not going to happen. If you don't make things happen, they are not going to happen. Like my friend Elle, SuperExtend liner. I mean, if she didn't get up and do that therapy after that back surgery, she would still be setting. She quit letting things hold her back. So what are you needing to take the big leap on in your life? Share with me in the comment section. I want to pray with you. What are you holding yourself back from? You don't have enough time to go on a vacation. Yes, you do. Make time. You don't have enough time to pursue your dream of quilting. Yes, you do. Do it. Quit watching TV. Quit wasting time on all the media and all the hype and craziness going on in this world. You don't have time to start your own business. Hello, I will help you get set up with your own business. You don't have to wait. You can do it from home. Yay, those eyes are lined, boys and girls. Lined. Okay, so, you know, I meet so many people that tell me, I wish that I had the guts that you do to go for the things that you do. Here's the thing. I worked a full-time job and a part-time business and raised 2 boys at the same time. I'm not saying that it was easy. I'm saying I did it because I wanted to be able to have that time freedom for my family. Love waterproof mascara, and it's paid off. I mean, we were able to build a new home. We are able, this has this little bended wand. I love that. We were able to build a new home that is 100% handicap accessible for our boys. We're able to take our boys to see things and to experience things and still keep them safe because I took that leap and I worked my business and I worked it hard. So what's holding you back? Is it your mindset of being told as a kid that you would always be broke or that you weren't good with money or that you didn't know how to put on makeup? I have so many people tell me, I just can't go live. I'm so nervous. I'm like, okay, so here's the thing. You people are my people. You're my friends. You get ready with me in the mornings. So when I go live, I got to do this. I can't talk at the same time and do this. So when I go live, it's because I came to chat with you and get ready with you. Not because I'm anything any more special than you. Just because you're my friends. You're my tribe. You're my people. Okay. Yay! Have you guys missed me? I've missed getting ready with you. I haven't been getting ready a whole lot, I'll be honest with you. Okay, so today's delivery day, and we're going to add a little extra boom, boom, boom. We're going to do our Love bronzer. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know why I made that silly sound. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a tad up on my pad, pat it out here. I'm just making a line underneath my cheek. Can you see that? Now you can see it. There we go. Okay. I'm real careful with this because I think this shade may be a little bit darker than I need, but that's okay. And then after I get it on there, I'm just going to go back and pat. And I'm doing this to define my lines. Define and sculpt. So for that person that said I'm too fat to be doing my makeup on Facebook, they don't get offended. They can tell that I worked a little bit on those cheeks. Queen Carnation, guys, you just can't let what people say bother you. People are gonna have opinions about everything you do, but they're sitting at home making those opinions, not doing anything with their life. So just sit at home and make your opinions. Here's that color. Sit at home and make your opinions. I'm gonna be out here living my life. That's what I'm gonna do. This goes on just like a watercolor. These are so pigmented. They just take a touch. A touch. We're gonna blend. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. We're gonna blend. So I'm going right above where I did that bronzer. And I'm just patting, patting, patting. Patting, patting, patting. Okay. I'm gonna take my beauty blender now and I'm just gonna kind of blend that down. Not real rosy, cheeky, girly. That's okay. Yay, we're blended. Can you tell? Last step, we're gonna add in a little bit of highlighter. These are so fun. All these new Love compacts, they have hyaluronic acid in the sponge. So you're actually getting a little bit of skincare and plumping in these. So that is so fun. Okay. right above where I did that blush, I'm just going to do a kiss of highlight down my nose, do a little bit right here for those Kim Kardashian lips, a little bit right there, and a little bit right here. Just going to add a little glow, a little highlight. Okay, lipstick. Let's do lipstick. How about, we haven't done this color, I don't think, in a while. The PYT. These birthday bombs are so fun. They're shea butter. They go on so creamy, and my lips are so dry after being at the beach. You guys do not want to miss launch day tomorrow. We have some fun new products I'm going to share with you. So, okay, well, I think we are ready to go. Can you see that glow? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So, my advice for you today is, my call to action is, whatever your heart desires to do, do it. Make time. Make a list of the things that you want to do. Maybe you want to clean up your yard. Maybe you want to start a business. Hey, holler at me. I will hook you up. Maybe you want to try some of this makeup. Message me. I will help you color match and get set up. Maybe you want to be successful in your business. Start today. It is Monday. It is a new day, and there's lots of things to happen for you. So I hope that you have a blessed day, and I hope that you accomplish everything your heart desires. I will see you all tomorrow for launch day. Bye, guys.